So now I think everyone can try the 40-second question. Question number 42. Try this one, everyone. Second one. Is there anyone having trouble with the thing? 40-second one. So I think everyone has got the answer as -1/2, but don't know how to put it in terms of radians. Did everyone get the answer as -1/2 in this, or still doing it? See, this is basically what a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So this implies a plus b is equal to minus c. Correct? So I'm taking the dot product of itself on both the sides. So what I'll be getting in this, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to c square. Unit vectors. Correct? So 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta is equal to 1. So I'll be getting what? The one and this one I can get cancelled. So 2 cos theta is equal to -1. So cos theta value is what? -1/2. So this theta value I have to find. Correct? So this what I'll do. It's a very simple thing. Draw the quadrant. Cos theta can be what? Negative in which one? In second or fourth quadrant. Correct? And what is the range of cos theta? So I told very important thing to study the range. What is the range of cos theta? Zero to pi, or -1 to 1 also we can tell. 0 to pi. Correct? So can I write it in terms of fourth quadrant? My question is, can I write the answer in terms of fourth quadrant? Is it correct or wrong? No, correct. Because what is the range? 0 to pi. Correct, that is the range. 0 to pi is the range. So what I should do, this is coming negative 1 by 2. The answer of this is what? Negative 1 by 2. So what is it basically? So 0 to pi in the sense, it falls in second quadrant. So the angle is somewhere where, what value of cos will give me 1 by 2? Generally, I'm asking, what value of cos x is equal to 1 by 2? Is it cos 60 or cos 30? Correct. Pi by, is it pi by 6 or pi by 3? So those who did not understand this question, especially the diagram, I'm just repeating it one more time. Correct. So 4 quadrants we are taking, right? Correct. I got cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Fourth quadrant cannot come because the range of cos is what? 0 to pi. So this is already eliminated. Now coming to the 1 by 2. What value of cos will give me 1 by 2? Cos 60. Correct? Yes, acute angle. Now it should follow the next quadrant. So it should be cos 120. Correct? Cos 120 value is what? Minus 1 by 2, because it is cos is negative in second quadrant. Now coming to the answer options, see, suppose if we are not knowing 2 pi by 3 value, 2 pi by 3 value is what? 120. Correct. Obviously this is not 90 degrees. See the diagram here. See the diagram. Is it 90? No. Is it 180? No. Then what is the other one? Pi by 3. Is it pi by 3? Pi by 3 is this thing. No. Only thing is this line. So that is 2 pi by 3. I hope now everyone is clear. Much clearer than previously. So basically draw a diagram and that will help you to solve it much faster and better.